Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring a new bundle out of the catalog, the new catalog, which doesn't air until June 3rd. This bundle is called Mini Mates. It has an amazing stamp set with a lot of greetings, but also this lattice die. It's called the Many Medallions dies. So I have cut some Seaside spray out, and this is what it looks like, and I'm going to make a two-fer today, so 2 cards with 1 die cut, and I'm cutting along. I'm just snipping out, being careful, being mindful as I'm snipping this border. So I will end up with the middle that has a sort of a 3x4 square, and then a beautiful border as well. What else can I tell you? Oh, so this is in page 43 of the brand new catalog, in case you're wondering where it is. Hopefully you do have your catalog by now. If you're one of my customers, please, if you haven't got your catalog, let me know and I will send out another one. And yeah, so this is kind of my first go at some of the products out of the new catalog here. I am trimming this now perfectly. So it is a rectangle that will be 3 squares by 4. And then the other card will use the border. It's kind of cool getting 2 cards for, while you're making kind of just one. So this is a Stampin' Spot. This is the Misty Moonlight. So this is a brand new in color. And I got this Misty Moonlight Stampin' Spot out of my paper pumpkin. So this is the only way that we were allowed to experiment with this ink. As demonstrators, we were not allowed to pre-order it. They wanted to make sure that they had enough for everyone, not just demonstrators, I guess. I'm not 100% sure why. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I was able to get this little spot in my paper pumpkin. And for those of you who enjoy watching the paper pumpkin, it's coming out on Wednesday. So this is a thick whisper white card base. I put the happy birthday sentiment, popped it up, and then I also popped that little lattice as well. And that card, super simple, was finished. Now I have just our multi-purpose glue here, and I have the silicone mat. I was careful not to get any glue anywhere else, and then what happens? Boop, I drop it. I dropped my little lattice, and although it was very quick, I just didn't cut it out of the video because I think it's funny. I made such an effort to, put down that silicone mat, and then I screw it up in the end anyway. So this is a quarter sheet of white, whisper white regular. I have a tendency to cut them in half. So a quarter sheet cut in half. And then it is a perfect size to go as a card front. So I have the Seaside spray ink, and I've stamped the happy birthday multiple times across the top, and or 2 lines actually. And then my 3rd line here is going to be the Seaside spray, but I'm also inking up with the dauber, the Misty Moonlight in color ink, so that there's a beautiful transition or a gradient or gradation, ombre, whatever you want to call it. So that 3rd line has 2 different color blues. And then I'm full strength Misty Moonlight on the bottom. I want to call it Misty Morning. I don't know why. So I'm sorry if I do call it Misty Morning. Now that I've got Misty Morning in your head, you're probably going to want to say it now too. I think it would work both. This color would work well in moonlight or in morning. Anyway, moving on, here I have some of the ribbons. Now, I am obviously going to be a part of my own ribbon share, but when we were given the chance to order these ribbons, and I'm not a huge ribbon person, but I couldn't resist these ribbons. These are the Flowers for Every Season ribbon combo pack. You get just jade, it's a gingham, and then you get a Whisper White, which is this, it's beautiful, like it's like a fine cotton almost. Faux linen it's what it's called. And then Misty Moonlight and Silver Baker's Twine. So they look really good layered up on each other, and that's what I did. I really like this white one because it's really transparent. So if you have some stamping in behind, it's not completely going to cover your stamping off, which is perfect for this design of repeated stamping. Now I could have been a little bit more precise and put ruler lines, and I couldn't be bothered. This is a Monday video, so it's supposed to be simple. I tied a little bow here. I'm balling up a little bit of the glue dots, those mini glue dots, adhering it to the center of my bow, and then adhering my bow. And then one last little final touch is the 2020/2022 in color enamel dots in Misty Moonlight. Put 3 triangle around the bow, and those are my cards for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.